Cochise County Supervisors are dedicating more than $1 million to mental health services for those serving jail time. 9 on your side's Reina Preciado shows us how.
The nearest mental health facility from this Cochise County jail is nearly 30 minutes away, where space is already very limited. Now with this money, county officials say inmates can get the help they need without having to travel outside the county. County Operations Commander Robert Watkins says this $1.3 million grant will not only make resources more accessible, but it will also provide the funds for inmates to choose where they receive treatment.
Sometimes we'll have patients that will agree to self-admit to, let's say, a facility in Tucson, but says, you know what, I have history with whatever the local one is, and they won't self-admit there.
The funding will provide the county with 3 master's level behavioral health professionals and a detention officer to transport individuals to wherever they want to go for treatment.
Our goal is to just have these professionals arrive, de-escalate the event, break down the root cause of what the mental crisis is, and try and service that person. That person's a victim of mental illness, and we need to treat them like that.
Watkins says having these professionals to handle the situation is more effective. He says it can make the crisis worse if officers are involved.
That gives the person suffering a crisis the ability to fixate on the uniform and not necessarily the person.
The funds granted by the Legacy Foundation of Southeast Arizona will provide mental health support for 3 years. Watkins says there's been an increase in reincarceration, and he hopes this proactive approach will prevent suffering from a mental health crisis.
So for every mental crisis we can prevent, that's one less we have to respond to.
The next step in getting this grant distributed is to hire a mental health professional to continue planning. They hope to do this within the next few weeks. In Cochise County, Reina Preciado, KGUN 9 on your side.
Yeah, mental health impacts so many people,
Certainly
including
does.
people in jail.
Yeah, exactly right.